Ever wondered what makes cinnamon powder truly premium? The quality of cinnamon powder depends entirely on how it's processed. It all begins with ethically sourced Ceylon cinnamon bark, selected for aroma, color, and purity, then gently dried under controlled conditions to preserve its natural oils and rich flavor. Once perfectly dried, the bark is precision milled into fine powder, finely sieved for uniform texture, ensuring consistency in every batch. The result? Pure, aromatic, export-grade cinnamon powder. To ensure safety and purity, the powder undergoes sterilization to eliminate microbial contaminants while preserving nutritional value. Every batch is rigorously tested for heavy metals, microbial safety, and nutritional value in our quality control process, ensuring it meets our international quality standards. Finally, our organic cinnamon powder transferred to the packing and storage area and then exported to all over the world. We offer contract manufacturing and private labeling options packed in pouches, canisters, and in the form of capsules and tablets. Medikonda Nutrients, precision processed for global excellence.